Local news for Wednesday the 16th of August. A former Makolda College teacher has been appointed new head of School of Viticulture and Wine at the Eastern Institute of Technology. Sue Ross has, in her first week in the role, joined a team of senior managers and educators heading to China to finalise an agreement for the EIT to teach a wine science program at Kulu University of Technology in China. The cooperation agreement, signed off at the end of July, provides an opportunity for EIT lecturers to teach courses within the wine science program. South Wairarapa District Council has started a project to update its district plan schedule of protected trees. All three Wairarapa District Councils have a combined district plan schedule which documents notable trees that are protected across Wairarapa. To date, updated district plan schedules have identified some trees listed in the schedule no longer exist, while other trees have been allocated to incorrect locations. The district plan schedule also provides an opportunity to include more trees that are worthy of protection. Members of the public also have a chance to suggest additional trees to add to the schedule, with nominations closing on the 1st of October. And in sport, Wairarapa United picked up a win after a recent slump in form last Saturday, beating Stoppard 4-1, are now sitting second on the table with their next match away to Palmerston North Marist this weekend. And local league, Greytown lead the way in Division 1 and Masterton lead the way in Division 2.